Well, we made it to Bangkok finally at 4:30 in the morning. Alright, we checked into our hotel, getting ready to go for our bike ride around Bangkok. Catching our first ride through Bangkok. Well, we're alive and we made it to Robinson Center. Look at these cables back here. We got slightly lost for a second, but we figured it out. Your face remain the same. The sorrows will be in the dark. When we finally soar, they'll be gone. Trees will bloom and ice will melt. Your face remain the same. Sorrows will be in the dark. When we finally soar. Morning meditation.
I sat down by the ocean.
So we're on a bike tour with our very nice tour guide, Oil, who's from Thailand. She's Buddhist, her family's Buddhist, which is kind of cool. And we are just going through the back streets right now. She's showing us all the temples and churches. We just saw where the monks live.
What can I do? What can I do when your train is gone? I don't wanna go back, don't wanna go back. If you are not with me, hey, do you read me? Go back to where we came from. If my hands are empty, hey, do you read me? Go back. I don't wanna go alone. Go back. If you are not with me, hey, I don't wanna go back.
So we took the ferry across. Now we're at the Temple of the Good Friend.
I know you want the best for me. Your intentions are good. I walk back to my history, into my old neighborhood. Longing for you, oh, but I can't get back.
So we're in Chinatown now, in the China market. This is the largest wholesale market in Thailand that we're going through right now. I think it's in the middle of Chinatown too. And Chinatown has a district, not just a street. Trying the street meat. Really good. What is this?
This is pork balls.
Pork balls? Oh yeah. And I got the spicy hot.
Sausage.
This one's real hot, like curry hot.
Hot.
Alright, how's yours?
Spicy hot.
How's yours?
It's okay.
Okay.
Not as flavorful as the other one.
Okay. Try more. All right, we're back on the road again. Biking down by the river. Just got done with a couple temples. Check this out. So cool. Oh, watch our heads. There we go.
Just got up, something's wrong. I waited up with wounds on my feet. Where will you be? Flickering through memories, the Polaroids yellowed in the sun, longing to be seen. So come and hide, hide with me, hide with me, hide with me. Come and hide, hide with me, hide with me, hide with me. Stars are bright, I called you up just to hear you.
So how many chilies did you put in?
2 chilies.
Not
Show
too
'em.
spicy?
Show 'em.
Oh yeah, there's the
2
chilies.
of them.
You will always be my first choice, just as it seems. Hide with me, hide with me, hide with me. So come on.
What are you making now?
He had not
Pad
stopped.
Thai.
Pad Thai.
He had not stopped. He had always moving. That's why they say pad Thai. The trick you have to
Oh yeah, pad is.
Pad is
moving.
food.
yeah.
Oh, very nice pad Thai.
Okay.
Now we stop moving.
All right, stop.
My pad Thai. Yeah, put it in the bowl. We made a mess.
Yeah, it's okay.
I think it'll still taste good.
Sometimes it's
Yeah.
really bread is good. You know that? No, it's okay. They go home.
Very nice. Okay, here's the final product.
I'll take chopsticks.
Oh!
I'm not great.
Don't make the team feel bad. I'm the team. Don't make the team
I'm a
feel
fork.
bad.
Oh, thank you.
I'm not good with them, but I'll try.
Okay, just in case.
Just in case, yeah.
Just
can't
in
do it.
case.